Welcome Tours Africa, and today family we are at the Junction Mall in Accra, Ghana. As you can see, they have a player for the kids right here. Player for the kids. If you look across their family, you can see the guys playing basketball. You know, we have a few stores that you'll see in the West, but it's a nice mall for you to come and chill with the kids. You have all the, as you can see. Yeah, family. So today I'll be doing a little shopping, and I have baby Amesh with me. So we're going to ShopRite. We're gonna do shopping in ShopRite. Yeah, family. That's where we're gonna shop in Ghana. ShopRite in Junction Mall, and we're exploring Ghana at the moment. Baby Amesh. Yeah, family. So we stopped at KFC. To actually try KFC. If you want to try KFC, so I want to try Ghana KFC. But only you know that Jamaican KFC is the best KFC. Only you know that. If you want to try the Ghana KFC, so we here getting some KFC. Junction Mall. Yeah, family. So we're actually in a store called what is the store called? Banana Ghana. So it's Banana Ghana. It has a whole lot of stuff inside here. Have hats and stuff, glasses, sun hat.
Also big. You know Ghana there, the sun is kind of so.
Yeah. So it have so much stuff. But what I really want to look at is the teddy bear over there.
Oh, okay.
I want to get Amish another teddy bear. And slippers for the beach.
Very pretty.
Like that. So banana place has a lot of stuff, a lot of the small stuff that you'd need for your home. So if you're in Ghana, you want to come out to get small stuff. You know what I mean? What I really like these
The bears. Oh.
bears.
Okay.
Look at that one. Wow. That
Oh.
one's it's very nice.
You think they-
Like this big one here.
Oh yeah, the big one.
I will get one of these for Amish.
Yeah.
Time to do something with it.
So nice.
It's very nice. 121. How much you like this? You like it, boy? Boy? Boy, you like it, boy? I like it. I like this one more though. This one is nice.
The brown one? Yeah. Oh wow, wait. Oh, this thing.
Shake.
Oh, that looks like a key holder in a way.
Yeah.
It's a key holder. I thought it's the shake. You mean the brown one?
What about? Yeah, this one. This one is nice. Look at it, man. It's money.
But the price is not $10. How small that one? But this is garlic.
Yeah.
The same. How much?
Let's see why Kiki. Car boys, car.
When you start understanding, I'm sure he'll be crying for her.
Hey family, so we actually LCY Kiki. Find a few stuff for me. You're gonna go for your stuff, right? So family, it's good when you have a wife that is actually good in fashion design, because she can pick and match clothes for you. So I kind of enjoy that. How was the size?
Yeah, small.
Okay.
You like it? You like it?
Yeah, it's nice. Very nice.
Look, the camera.
Yeah family, so this is what we get. I wanna go to the other store. She don't like anything in LCY. She's a fashion designer and she know what is know about fashion. So it's hard to find stuff. Family, so I'm also gonna get some socks for me.
It's a shoe size actually.
Yeah?
43 to size 45.
Yeah, that's 12. Yeah, that's good fit. That's the best one there?
Yeah, this is the best. Yeah, that's nice.
Okay.
Funny colors. Yeah, it's the best. It's fine. That's it for now, right?
Yeah. We go to the other store and see.
Yeah. So be careful.
Yeah family, so we finished with LCY Kiki. Where are we going next? The Carlton. We're going to the Carlton. Check. Slide door is very stylish.
Yeah.
Where they draw people, you know. So you say, wow, picture draw. It's very nice. That's there. Or what?
Yes, we send a picture through WhatsApp. Yes.
Ah. So maybe we can just take a picture and just send it to him. And get it done. Okay. Let me get your WhatsApp number. This one. The family. Very nice. So you want to give yourself a shout out, like tell people.
In this Alkaline, which is that we do pencil, painting, portrait, landscape.
So if you come to Accra Mall family, you need to get this thing done. Junction Mall, sorry, Junction Mall, yes. So your number is?
The number is 055-266-1087.
Alright, great. Alright, let me get your WhatsApp number and I'm gonna send you mine. And I'll get it done before. Hey family, so this is actually Udini for all your Kentes. All your Kentes. That's the one in Accra Mall, right? Look at the one in Accra Mall. So we go over the Carlton over there. So we're going. Then we come here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to Carlton. I guess just let's cut cross.
Just saying. And remember the bottom, the shop's not the same, right?
Yeah.
So my memory is not so bad.
Hey family, so we're actually in the Carlton. And you're checking for a few things for yourself, right?
Yes. See if I can
Carlton.
find something.
White.
Me and the white, you know me now.
Yeah. I have one like that already.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, the V
It's the
shape.
same.
Right?
Yeah.
Maybe I can get
We
one.
take another color, the peach is nice. That one is very nice. Even this one, the yellow, no, the pink. I think the one in Kenya is bigger though.
Yeah.
Family, so we didn't find anything in the Carlton. So we're heading out back. It's very small. It's not that big.
Yeah, I have like the one in the salon. This one, what else? There's so many mosquitoes. You can do it.
Hey family, so we didn't find anything in the Carlton. So we're actually heading over to ShopRite to get some food stuff. So this will be the end. So family, like, share and subscribe. If you come to Ghana, hit us up. When you come to Ghana, hit us up. When you come to Ghana, hit us up. Like, share, comment.